It's basically like doing a bungee jump. You don't know how it feels until you've done it. People can explain it, but it is worth it because everyone will take something else out of it.
In terms of describing the day in a couple of words, I think I'd say insightful and useful, I think would be the main ones. So yeah.
I found it very intriguing, very interesting. Like, I wouldn't say there wasn't a moment in it where it never got me thinking or on my toes.
I found the workshop very empowering. I learned a lot of new things about myself and also about other people's experiences. Enticing, empowering, thought-provoking.
I wish I took this earlier, you know, especially like in my first year, because some of the stuff I learned has kind of like opened my eyes up to the mistakes that I normally make and how I could just generally go about in my life in a better way.
It's been a life-changing experience for me, and I really encourage you to come here. You will not be disappointed.